is a wonderful blessing, either cloudy or sunny. It's time for new hope, new strength, and new thought. For each morning, let there be flow of love and light of happiness in every direction. With this beautiful line, I, Vedika Bhadosh from Class 6P, along with my classmate, wish you all a very pleasant morning. The sweetest time of the day for all of us is when we pray to God. It is because this time we are talking to the one who loves us the most. Let's we all connect with the Almighty, the creator of this whole world. So all of you please ready for the prayer. Join your hand and close your eyes.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
मालिक तेरे बंदे हम कैसे हो हमारे करम पर चले हम नदी से टले ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम मालिक तेरे बंदे हम जब जन्म ताकि हंसते मालिक तेरे
Thought remind us to stay positive and positivity to our mind, to share positivity through today's thought. My friend Urvashi Sharma will present a thought in front of.
Everyone, today I, Urvashi Sharma of Class 6B, is going to present today's thought of the day. The thought of the day is, if you focus on results, you will never change. But if you focus on change, you will get the results.